Wait, where is Lily?
Lily?
Where are you? Where did she...
Lily!
Lily!
Yay!
Uh-oh.
Go. Lily?
Uh-huh.
Something doesn't look right.
What is it, Bruno?
Bruno, what happened in here?
Oh no.
The walls. She painted the walls.
And the floor. And Bruno.
Bruno, you're purple.
Lily, did you paint Bruno?
Ryan, were you watching her?
I was watching her. She was right there. She painted the entire wall, Ryan.
And the dog.
I think Lily owes Bruno an apology.
Sorry, Bruno.
Good boy, Bruno.
Where is my phone?
I haven't seen it.
I had it right here on the table.
Someone's at the door.
Hello. Toy delivery. 20 packages for this address.
20?
20 packages?
We didn't order that.
Sign here, please.
Wait, where is Lily?
Lily?
Where are you?
She ordered toys with my phone.
All of this is toys?
All of it.
We can keep all of this.
Definitely not.
Let's return them.
Good idea. Wait, where did they all go?
I just put them right there.
Look outside.
She's giving them away to the whole neighborhood.
Lily!
She gave every single one away.
I think the neighbors really like Lily.
Not again.
Okay, everyone. Ready for the park?
Let's have a nice quiet afternoon.
Can we get snacks?
This one is mine, okay?
Goo 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 ga. Okay, just one tiny bite.
Wait, that's it? That was my last one.
It's okay, Ryan. Alright, everyone. Let's go.
I'm still thinking about my snack.
Be good.
Watch Lily for us.
We've got it.
We've got it.
Don't worry.
Wow, look at those flowers. So pretty. Did you hear that?
Yeah.
Sounds like a water.
A lot of water. Splashing.
Wait, that's not a fountain, is it?
Oh my goodness. Baby. That's our baby.
She's in the fountain.
Completely in the fountain.
We found the troublemaker.
Well, hello there.
She's completely soaked.
Head to toe.
I think she likes it in there.
Lily, come here, please.
She keeps running. Look what I found over here.
Lily would like that.
And I found this.
And this one too.
We did not come here for that.
Aw.
Wait, where's Lily?
What? She was right here.
I thought she was with you.
I thought she was with you. Excuse me, have you seen little girl? Very wet, very fast.
No, sorry. Have you seen our baby? She was just here.
No, I haven't. Sorry.
Excuse me, have you seen little girl?
Hey, have you seen our baby? She was just here.
No, I haven't. Sorry.
Oh my goodness.
Come on. Did she go this way?
She's so small. How does she move so fast?
Wait, do you hear that?
Is that her?
Wow.
Oh no!
She found the ice cream cart.
Lily?
How did she get all of that?
No, thank you. Sorry. Thank you so much. Sorry.
There you are.
She's still picking flavors.
Sir, what flavor would you like?
She's ordering for other people now.
Lily!
Where did they all go?
I think Lily shared them.
With everyone at the park.
Of course she did.
Ice cream total $80.
What? $80?
What a day.
I need a whole week off after that park trip.
Same. I still can't believe she got into that fountain.
Fully dressed.
With her shoes on.
And painted Bruno purple this morning.
Don't forget the wall.
And the floor.
And the 20 toy boxes she gave away.
Nobody is going anywhere tomorrow.
Nobody.
Good. Finally.
Let's learn 5 useful English words from today's story. Fountain. A fountain is a place where water sprays into the air. Example: Lily played in the fountain. Soaked. Soaked means completely wet. Example: Lily was soaked from head to toe. Neighborhood. A neighborhood is the area where people live. Example: Lily shared toys with the whole neighborhood. Delivery. Delivery means bringing packages or goods to someone. Example: the delivery man brought 20 toy boxes. Flavor. A flavor is the taste of food or ice cream. Example: Lily kept choosing different ice cream flavors.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more family fun.
What do you think Lily will get into next?
See you in the next adventure.